If you can't figure out why you've been doing everything right but you're still not losing weight as fast as you want, look out for these 9 mistakes that can sabotage all of your weight loss efforts. Mistake number 1. Making too many exceptions. We've all heard of The Rock's legendary cheat days, and even science proves that cheat meals can help you lose weight. In fact, research from Northwestern University found that cheat days can boost your metabolism and increase your levels of leptin, the satiety hormone. But if you overdo it, it can easily get you into trouble. If you find yourself making more and more exceptions, keep in check how often you're cheating. Mark Sisson, the author of The Primal Blueprint, recommends using the 80-20 rule. 80% of your meals should adhere to your diet plan, and no more than 20% should be cheat meals. If you find yourself cheating more than 20% of the time, rethink your strategy and learn how to be more consistent with your diet. A few exceptions can help you stay on track, but too many will sabotage your efforts. Mistake number 2. Not learning to say no. Peer pressure is one of the most common reasons why diets fail. It's hard to resist temptation when people around you push you to eat more. Saying no to food may feel hard, but it's one of the most essential skills to master when trying to lose weight. The food in the door technique can make it easier to stand your ground. This psychological principle shows that once you start saying no, it gets easier to do it again and again, with more and more confidence. The first time you say no, it may feel like a big deal, but it'll get easier and easier the more you do it. If friends and family worry about you, reassure them that you're staying healthy and keep making good choices. Mistake number 3. Thinking short term. It's no secret that most people who try to lose weight end up failing. The reason is often that they focus on unrealistic methods to achieve short-term results. You might think that reducing your choices very drastically will help you shed fat quicker, but your diet may just turn out to be too strict to adhere to. Or you might think that long daily cardio sessions will help you get the six-pack you've always wanted, but your workouts may just be too exhausting for you to stay on track. The truth is, focusing on short-term goals leads to unsustainable and disappointing results. In contrast, focusing on long-term goals will help you create a plan that is more sustainable and more effective. You'll be able to lose weight and keep it off for good. Whatever you choose to do, make sure it's something you can actually do for a long time. Mistake number 4. Not eating out. It's great to cook your own healthy meals, but you can't always stay home. Every now and then, it's good to enjoy a night out with friends, even while you're dieting. And you don't have to avoid restaurants or fancy dishes to stay on track with your weight loss goals. In fact, you can keep your meals lighter by choosing low-calorie options, cutting your portions, and using a bit of creativity. Don't be afraid to ask the chef to bake your meal instead of frying it. Swap fries for boiled potatoes or vegetables, have a fruit salad instead of a cake, and limit how much alcohol you drink. If those options are impractical, make your night out your cheat meal for the week and get back on track the next day. Mistake number 5. Eating your emotions. Tasty meals and sugary foods can make you feel better by releasing dopamine, and that's why we often turn to our favorite treats when we're down. But the short-term reward you get from eating mouth-watering snacks can set you back and stop you from losing weight. The great news is that there are healthier ways to make yourself feel better. Lots of research shows that exercise improves mood and gives a similar endorphin boost to lift your spirit. If you aren't in the mood to exercise, listening to music and meditating can have the same effect. Mistake number 6. Banning bad foods. It's true that there are foods that will make weight loss harder, but completely banning them from your diet will do more harm than good. Once a certain food goes on your forbidden list, you'll start obsessing with it. Somebody tells you you shouldn't eat nachos and all you can think about is nachos. Your cravings will increase more and more over time until it'll be too easy to give in and eat more than your fair share of calories. Instead of banning foods, try allowing them occasionally and in moderation. There's nothing wrong with having a treat every now and then. Eating a few slices of cake every day will make losing weight hard, but a slice of cake every couple of weeks won't be a problem. A balanced diet is the best diet there is. Mistake number 7. Taking supplements. Supplements can give you an edge so you can lose more weight and burn some extra fat. There are many pills and powders to choose from, and they can help you increase your metabolism, reduce your appetite, have more energy, and get plenty of helpful nutrients. Supplement companies promise all sorts of amazing results, but there's one big caveat. Pills and powders are not a magic wand. Without a healthy diet, they won't make any difference to your fat burning efforts. That's why your nutrition should always be the foundation of your weight loss plan. You can add supplements only after you start following a healthy diet. Mistake number 8, forcing yourself to work out. Exercising is one of the best ways to stay healthy, but if you're forcing yourself to do something you hate, you might be in trouble. Once you stop having fun and feeling energized from your training, it's easy to stop altogether. There's no perfect workout for weight loss, so there's no reason for you to feel trapped in a routine that you dread. If you're not enjoying your time in the gym, change your routine to make it more fun. And if you don't like working out, you can still burn calories by being more active throughout the day. Try standing more, walking around the neighborhood, or taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Research shows that most of the calories we burn come from NEAT. NEAT stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis, and it's the energy we expend when we're not sleeping or working out. Finding ways to be more active throughout the day will help you burn plenty of calories without even noticing. Mistake number 9, ignoring hunger. When you're excited about losing weight, it's tempting to go all in and end up with a rigid and strict eating regimen. But when your calories are too low, your hunger starts to get out of control. You feel like you're starving, and high-calorie foods become irresistible, so it's easy to get off track. That's why learning how to control hunger is key to losing weight. The easy fix is to never let your cravings and appetites spiral. Avoid skipping meals, and don't fast if it makes you feel like you're starving. If you don't let your hunger build up, you're less likely to binge and overeat. But even if you keep this in mind, you're only human, and every now and then you'll still get the munchies. But there's no need to panic. With the right hacks, you can beat all of your cravings and stay consistent with your weight loss goals. If you want to learn 16 tips to stop feeling hungry, click here to watch this video. We appreciate you watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more amazing and useful content on weight loss, health, and fitness. We'll see you in the next video.